Let's take some calls from the request line. Caller number 1.
Hey, man, what's up? This is Dominique from Shady Old Trailer Park.
What's up, Dominique?
I want to hear that song from Lil Jon and Petey Pablo.
Alright, I got that coming right up for you. Now, shout out the radio station that gave you what you wanted.
W Boom Boom B, baby.
What you doing from the front? What you doing from the back? Better break it down like that. What you doing from the front? What you doing from the back? Better break it down like that. 24, 34, 46, good and thick, and what you give she'll work with. Pretty face and some cute lips, earring and a tongue, and she know what it do, Make a name for herself, and she do her shit well, and know how to keep a bitch and keep herself. Come over anytime, nigga, call chick. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and she right there, and she know why she came here, and she know where her clothes supposed to be. Sniff a little coke, take a little X, smoke a little weed, drink a little bit. I need a girl I can freak with, the way to try shit, and ain't scared of a big dick. Love to get a pussy lick by another bitch, cause I ain't drunk enough to do that. Shamika, Keisha, Tara, Shonda, Sabrina, Crystal, Miranda, Lisa, Felicia, Tanisha, Siobhan, Monica, Monique, Christina, Yolanda. I need to know a whole lot and can teach me wrong. Need a ding dong, take her tongue and take her the ball. Hold on, he's on, had to do that for her. I'm spoiled. And now I like to work that hard. I like to lay back, relax, and enjoy my turn. With my eyes roll back and my toes curl. When you do that, girl, till it comes time for me to have to give her hers. Tell me what you want. Do you want a missionary with your feet crammed to the headboard? Do you want it from the back with your face in the pillow so you can yell as loud as you want to? On the floor, do you want it on the chair? Do you want it over here? Do you want it over there? Do you want it in your pussy? Do you want it in your ass? Anything you can handle. Shamika, Keisha, Tara, Shonda, Sabrina, Crystal, Miranda, Lisa, Felicia, Tanisha, Siobhan, Monica, Monique, Christina, Yolanda. What you doing from the front? What you doing from the back? Better break it down like that. What you doing from the front? What you doing from the back? Better break it down like that.
Hey, I appreciate that, homeboy.
Not a problem, you know I do it cause I love you. Now I gotta give a shout out to Seagram Gin, cause I drink it and they paying me for it. Shamika, Keisha, Tara, Shonda, Sabrina, Crystal, Duranda, Lisa, Felicia, Tanisha, Siobhan, Monica, Monique, Christina, Yolanda. Shamika, Keisha, Tara, Shonda, Sabrina, Crystal, Duranda, Lisa, Felicia, Tanisha, Siobhan, Monica, Monique, Christina, Yolanda.
Yeah. Skinny ass pants, fresh pair of Vans. If the niggas keep tripping, they can share an ambulance. Throw up blood with my hands. My gang poppin' niggas, smoke that Keisha, not that Reggie for you name dropping niggas all day. I do it like Tony. Got a sign on my dick that say bad bitches only. I don't drink champagne, it make my stomach hurt. Man, I'm on that Patron, fuck with me wrong and get murked. Got a silence on a gun, that bitch go pew. Got a mean ass swagger, my bitches do too. Yeah, all my niggas nuts, and I'm a loose screw. Bitch, I get big bucks, pockets on bruise. Yeah, I talk tune. Yeah. It go all these bitches and niggas still hating. I used to be ballin', but now I'm Bill Gaten. Got a list full of problems, I tend to them later. Yeah, life is a bitch, but I appreciate them, man. All these bitches and niggas still hating. Yeah, I used to be ballin', but now I'm Bill Gaten. Got a list full of problems, I tend to them later. Yeah, life is a bitch, but I appreciate them, man. It go dark ass shades, I can't see them haters. Now eat these fucking bullets, don't forget to tip the waiter. Dress like a skater, ride on you like Shaun White. I'm high all day, you can call that shit a long flight. Every night's a long night, every day's a holiday. I don't fuck the squares, now do that mean I'm out of shape? Yes, I talk shit, got to defecate to conversate. We said fuck the world, yep, I fuck it till it ovulate. Get her to the crib, get in that pussy and just dominate. We's at F, baby, and the F is for finer K. Polo Ralph Lauren, bitch, that's where my pajamas say. Big, tall glass of some shit you can't pronunciate. Boogers in the bezel of my watch with the vomit face. And still, I do not give you motherfuckers the time of day. Pistol in your mouth, I cannot make out what you trying to say. And if they want to walk, then tell them motherfuckers bombs away. Man, all these bitches, and niggas still hating, man. I used to be ballin', but now I'm Bill Gaten. Got a list full of problems, I tend to them later. And life is a bitch, but I appreciate her, man. All these bitches, and niggas still hating. And I used to be ballin', but now I'm Bill Gaten. Got a list full of problems, I tend to them later, man. Life is a bitch, but I appreciate her. Let it breathe too. Just let it breathe too, yeah. Young moolah baby, young moolah baby, young moolah baby.
Motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah. You know who's back up in this motherfucker. So blaze the weed up then. Blaze that shit up, nigga. Yeah. Sup, Snoop?
Top dog, light them all, nigga, burn this shit up. DPGC, my nigga, turn that shit up. CPT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Thug niggas, drug dealers, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for sure. Slip my hoe a 44 when she got in the back door. Bitches looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this motherfucker just to swing in my hair. Bitch, quit talking, quit walk if you're down with the sick. Take a bullet with some dick and take this dope on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if your ass get cracked, bitch, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the ass, you'll be relieving your stress.
It's the motherfucking D.R.E. Dr. Dre, motherfucker. You know I'm mobbing with the D.O. Double G. Straight off the fucking streets of CBT. King up the beach, you ride to him in your fleet. Whoop, the field rolling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop-de-whoop, nigga, what? Dre and Snoop Chronic down in the lag. With Doc in the back, sipping on yak. Clip in the strap, dipping through hoods. Compton, Long Beach, Inglewood. South Central out to the west side. It's California love, this
California bug, got a nigga gang of pub. I'm on one, I might bell up in the Century Club with my jeans on and my team strong. Get my drink on and my smoke on, then go home with something to poke on. Locust song for the 200. Coming real, it's the next episode.
Hold up, hey, for my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't play. We gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up, hey, for my niggas who be acting too bold, take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey, smoke weed every day.